Hi there, it's Jessie. I'm so glad you found this video because it means you want to learn more about doTERRA essential oils and you're in the right spot. I love educating people about doTERRA and all the fun ways that you can use these oils, make easy swaps in your home, just empower you within your own home, with your family, with yourself. It's amazing. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make an immunity roller ball targeted specifically for kids because I've used it on my kids for so many years. This is one that everyone can use. So there's 3 oils that I want you to have in your arsenal to make this roller. You need to have On Guard, Arborvitae, and Frankincense. I love these 3 oils. The combination together, it's honestly a little bit intoxicating for me. It brings back such fond memories of using this roller on even my oldest son, who's now, at time of recording, he's 11, but I used it on him when he was a little baby. It was before doTERRA came out with the stronger roller, which is the kids roller that doTERRA came out with. After my oldest had grown up a bit, but I was already hooked on this one. Stronger is a great option for you to use as well, and we use it on our kids, but I love using this one. And then really quick trick that I like to do. So I get the little circle labels. You can buy them from doTERRA. Sometimes I'll even write the number of drops I do for each oil. So for On Guard, we're going to do 10 drops, and then Arborvitae and Frankincense, we're going to use 5 drops-ish, and then the rest of it fractionated coconut oil. And then, can you tell, I like to put packing tape, the clear packing tape, over the top, and it just helps it last a little bit longer. So you might be wondering, Jessie, couldn't I just use On Guard? That's what I have. And the answer is yes. You could totally do On Guard, make your own roller ball. My general rule of thumb for adults and bigger kids is 20 to 30 drops of essential oil with the rest of the way fractionated coconut oil in your roller ball. But if you have really little kids, you could scale back a bit. This recipe has 20 drops, but again, you could plan accordingly. Do it less if you have a really young kiddo. It works so great. Okay, so we're going to do 10 drops of On Guard. On Guard comes out pretty fast, and this doesn't have to be an exact science. Maybe get 11, maybe get 12. I've already lost track. I think that's about 10. Then you're going to do 5 drops of frankincense. So there's 5. And frankincense just makes everything better. When in doubt, add in some frankincense into your roller, and it's going to make it better. Okay, so then Arborvitae, here we go. I'm going to do 5 drops of that one. Arborvitae is sourced from Canada, but I have the fondest memories of Arborvitae when I used to take kids to a Young Life camp up in Canada. I also went as a camper. It's called Malibu. It's this amazing camp in British Columbia. If any of you watching this have ever been there, that's what Arborvitae smells like. It smells like Malibu. Ah, I love it. Okay, so then I like to use a pumper to fill up my roller balls. And then you just see we're just filling it. Oop, you don't want to fill too full. Just check and see mine's filled to the top, and then you're going to put your roller lid on. Ooh, I'm trying to do this with super graceful. Okay, so it's snapped on, and then I like to do a little swish, swirl, swirl. I don't shake it. I just do gentle roll, and it is done. So where I like to apply this roller on my kids is I often just do the spine. When we're getting ready for bed, before they put on their jammies, we'll just zip down their spine every day. I like to do that. And then if they do happen to get sick, which occasionally they do get hit with bugs, but you guys, my kids, they bounce back a lot quicker. They don't get as sick as so many kids I see out there getting sick. These oils are powerful, and I love having them at my fingertips. I love it, love it, love it. So when my kids do get sick, I then would apply it more frequently throughout the day, but just for maintenance, I like to do a swoop once a day at bedtime. You can do it in the morning. A lot of people like doing bottoms of the feet as well, because then you can put socks on, and then they won't accidentally touch their feet because the socks are on. So there is my tip for you. I hope that was helpful. Use your oils, use them on your kids, pull them out. If you haven't broken open the seals yet, now is the time. Go break open those seals. If you have any questions, you can always write in the comments and you can ask me a question. My contact info is in the show notes. If you don't have your own doTERRA wholesale account, I would love to hook you up with wholesale pricing, which is 25% off retail pricing. And then I would love to walk alongside you as your essential oil mentor. If you are open to that, I would be all for it. So if you have questions, reach out. Info's in the show notes. I'll see you on my next video. Every Thursday, a new video drops. Have a great day.